Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the digital tachometer, the DT-48. This non-contact digital tachometer provides rapid and accurate surface speed measurements of rotating objects. The device features a wide measurement range, an integrated laser pointer, RPM and revolution test modes, a sample time of 0.5 seconds, and a built-in memory which recalls for maximum, minimum and the last value stored. In the box there is a 9-volt battery, a user guide, 3 strips of reflective marking tape, a carry case with a belt loop on the back, and the digital tachometer. This features a large LCD, 3 buttons. These are memory, measure, and mode. On the side is a plug for an optional charger. On the back is the battery compartment. And last of all on the top is a laser measurement sensor. For a video demonstrating how to set up and take a measurement using this meter, see the video linked in the description. Or for more information on this meter, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.